Hi, Lorinda Walker here, licensed massage therapist and essential oil educator. Today we're going to be unboxing the MetaPWR Kit. Many of you have received this already, and I'm getting a lot of questions. What do I do with all of this stuff? How can I make it work for me? So this is what the kit looks like when you get it in the mail. So it comes in this really cool box like this. And then you open it, and I love the fact that doTERRA has put some instructions on the inside cover of the box, along with your products beautifully packaged. But let's go through these one by one, and I'll share with you how I've been using them for some great results. So firstly, we have the MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend. So this can be added to your water, a couple of drops in the morning. Really helps to suppress your appetite and also curb cravings. So this is the purpose of the MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend, and it comes in 4 different forms. So you may choose to use one or all of these depending on your preference. So this is the essential oil blend. You can also apply this topically to your fluffy areas. You can also diffuse this. It smells really good in the diffuser. The next thing that you can try is the MetaPWR Satiety Gum. So this is based on the MetaPWR blend, and I love this gum. It's really delicious. The flavor lasts a long time, and I like to take this after I have dinner, or in the evening especially, or in the late afternoon, so that it prevents me from snacking and going, reaching for some unhealthy foods. So this is the MetaPWR gum. The other thing that you may like is the MetaPWR beadlets. So a beadlet is a teeny tiny little bead. It's basically a quarter drop of the oil, and you would just simply place it in your mouth. You could either swallow it whole, or you can let it kind of dissolve in your mouth. And this also gives you that flavor of the MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend, and again helps you to stop your cravings and prevent you from maybe going for something sweet. So this is the beadlet, and this has 125 beadlets in it. Very lightweight, great to put in your pocket and carry with you. My husband actually really likes these, and he takes them to work with him. And finally, the next, the fourth variation of the MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend is the MetaPWR Soft Gels. So this is actually my favorite component of the MetaPWR Essential Oil Blend. This is a soft gel, which you take one after every meal. So I actually start my day in the morning taking one of these before I have breakfast. I do intermittent fasting, and I tend to not eat anything until 12 noon or 1 o'clock. So I start my day with this. So this doesn't break your fast. You can start your day with this. And what it does is it helps me to feel full, so I'm not hungry at all. And I don't feel deprived or feel bad that I'm not having breakfast, because I just don't want it. I'm not hungry for it. So this is my favorite, like I said, my favorite part out of the 4, the oil, the gum, the beadlets, and then this. So you really need to use at least one of these, but doTERRA has given us 4 different variations of the essential oil blend. So choose, which one you like the best, but we tend to use pretty much all of them throughout the day, with the soft gel being, like I said, my favorite one. Okay, so all of these are designed to curb your cravings. So these 4, think of these as curbing cravings. Okay, the next part of the system is the MetaPWR Assist. So this is the product that balances the blood sugar. So this is a small capsule that you're going to take 15 to 30 minutes before you eat your largest meal. So for some people that's lunch, for some people that's dinner, whatever it is for you. Some people take one before lunch and before dinner. It's up to you. Just do your math though, because you will only have 30 capsules in here. So it's meant for one person to have one per day. If you are going to take more than one per day, you definitely want to be adding another one of these to your cart so you don't run out. This one decreases the post-meal glucose spikes. And this means that you're not going to have as many peaks and valleys in your energy levels. So this one for me has helped my energy levels stay very strong and very solid throughout the day versus like the peak of, high energy and then crash and burn in the afternoon. So absolutely love this product. Again, you're going to take one before your biggest carb meal and try to time it so that it's 15 to 30 minutes before. Okay, and finally, your last product is the collagen product. So this is the MetaPWR Assist, and it comes in the form of a little sachet. So this is a powder. This is coming in a powder form. This is giving you your collagen and your NAD. It's 9 different types of marine collagen, and NAD plus is an enzyme that is central to metabolism and supports healthy aging of skin, hair, and your tissues in general. So how I make this is either use a blender cup like this, so something that has the little ball inside, because this definitely has to be well dissolved. So I pour my water in my cup first, and then I pour in my sachet, and then shake it until it's dissolved. You will see some green flecks in there. Don't get alarmed and wonder, what is this? That's the chlorophyll. That's part of the NAD and the NMN. So those you want that. You want the green flecks. It's all good for you. And then if you didn't have a cup like this, a lot of people have, I have this from, I think I got it on Amazon several years ago. It's a frother for coffee, basically, for frothing up the milk. So you can use something like this and just add your MetaPWR into a glass with water, pour it in, and then use this to froth it up. So either way, you just want it to be really well blended. Sometimes people use a mason jar with a lid and just shake it. So whatever way you choose, make sure that it's just really well blended. And then you can use, the minimum amount of water is 5 to 6 ounces of cold water. I have been using actually the full amount of water, and basically what I'm doing is I'm taking my supplements with that beverage, so to speak. I find that I like it, more diluted, plus it's making me drink more water, and usually I have to fill it up again because I want to get the little bits of chlorophyll that may be stuck to the side of the glass. I want to get all of it, so I'm filling it up a second time, so I'm really getting some good hydration doing it this way, using this as my water to take my supplements. And I'm taking, the Lifelong Vitality, I'm taking turmeric, I'm taking On Guard soft gels, and of course, my MetaPWR soft gels. So I take one capsule at a time. My family makes fun of me because some of them can just put all of their capsules in their hand and just knock them down in one gulp, and I can't do that. I have to take one at a time. So it's good because it actually makes me drink a lot of water. So that's a good thing. So like I said, blender bottle, frother, mason jar, whatever it is. You could add essential oils to the MetaPWR if you choose. Some people add lemon oil. I really like the tropical essential oil blend that's available now in the holiday catalog. It's part of the Cuisine collection, so you can get several of them in a box, or you could get them individually. And this was offered last year as part of the holiday offerings, and I absolutely love it. So it's called Tropical Blend, and it is a blend of lemon and orange and grapefruit, bergamot, some other oils I can't remember right now, but it's very citrusy. And so I love adding it. It changes the flavor a little bit for me. I actually like the taste exactly the way it is. I always like the taste. I never had a problem with it. But if you want to cut the sweetness of it a little bit, you can always add, you know, some essential oil to that. Some people really like to add the MetaPWR blend to their advantage. So, you know, you have to experiment and see what works best for you. But for me, if in the beginning, I was just taking the 5 ounces of water, cold water, and mixing it up with the sachet, and that was it. I wasn't adding anything to it. So I just recently started adding the tropical blend just to kind of change it up a little bit, mix it up a little bit, but it's not necessary to add anything else to it, especially if you really like the taste. So I think that is it. Hopefully this helps you. So just to recap what you're going to do, you are going to take, the essential oil blend or the soft gel first thing in the morning, okay? You are going to take your sachet. I take mine at lunchtime, but you could take it first thing in the morning. It will not break a fast if you are doing intermittent fasting because it's less than 30 calories. So it will not break your fast if you're doing fasting. But again, I like to take it around noontime. Some people take it in the evening, depending on how much energy they feel that it gives them. For some people, it makes them a little bit tired. So again, you have to experiment. It's not a one size fits all. You have to sort of experiment and see what works best for you. In the beginning, I was taking this in the morning and it was making me tired. So I switched to the evening. I switched to taking it around 6 p.m. and now I'm back to more of a midday dosage for myself, and that seems to work great for me. So again, you know, follow your intuition and see what works best for you. So you're going to take one of these either first thing in the morning, or you could take it before lunchtime. Some people take it before dinner, and then you're going to take the assist 15 to 30 minutes before your largest carb meal. So that's either lunch or dinner for most people. Some people take it twice a day, one, you know, with each meal. Try to get it in 15 to 30 minutes before. And then the beadlets and the gum as needed, you know, for cravings. So after dinner, usually when I'm looking for something sweet, or at late at night, if I'm watching TV, you know, where I would normally be looking to snack on something, I pop a beadlet or take the gum, and that sort of just, you know, eliminates the craving, which is great. And then the oil, again, you could apply topically to the fluffy bits. You could take it in your water throughout the day. You could also diffuse it. So your choice. So hopefully that helps you use your brand new kit. It's so exciting. We are helping so many people with this product. I'm the most excited about something that, you know, that doTERRA has come out with. This is the most exciting thing in a very long time. So of course, all of their products are amazing, but this one, people are just getting some really great results, including me. More energy, better sleep, less brain fog, better mood. I feel more productive, and I am releasing weight as well. In addition to inches, and my skin is, I think, smoothing out and looking better. So I'm very, very excited about this product. So I hope you are too. Love to hear your experiences with it. Please like and share this video for more content coming your way, and have a great day.